Good morning. Now we are going to discuss board questions. In my previous video, we have got the answers of the board questions up to 2013. In this video, we will start from the 2014. So, just to see, go through your book. 2014, first question. Fill in the blanks from the choices. The basicity of acetic acid is that one. Acetic acid, you know that this one is 4 hydrogen atom is there, but the replacement only one is there. So that's why the basicity of acetic acid is 1. Now the second question. Second, what is given? That draw the structure of the stable positive ion form when acid dissolve in water. It means you have to draw the structure of hydronium ion. So that you studied that H2O with HCl form hydronium ion. So this complete bonding have to show. So this is the electron dot diagram of water molecule. This HCl is polar covalent is there. Delta negative and delta positive. So this H plus ion will come here from the hydronium ion by a coordinate bond. And by this way, this Cl negative will be there. So this hydronium ion is formed. This one is coordinate, covalent. So this bonding will be there, that coordinate bond, covalent. So this way the hydronium ion is formed. Now the third one. State the inference drawn from the observation. Salt S is prepared by reacting dilute sulfuric acid with copper oxide. Identify the S. So the salt S is that copper sulfate. And what is reacting by dilute sulfuric acid? Yes. The salt S is copper sulfate. And this black powder of the copper oxide changes to the blue colored solution. Black powder copper oxide changes to blue colored solution. So this is the third question of 2014. Now fourth one. Give balance equation for the preparation of the following salt using dilute sulfuric acid. So lead sulfate from lead carbonate, sodium sulfate using dilute sulfuric acid, copper chloride using copper carbonate. So first of all, it is asked that prepare lead sulfate from lead carbonate. Lead sulfate from lead carbonate. So just you see, in conversion I have given you, both the salts are insoluble. If both the salts are insoluble, then two steps are required. First of all, convert an insoluble salt to a soluble salt by action of nitric acid, then apply double decomposition. So this lead carbonate reacts with nitric acid to form lead nitrate, water and carbon dioxide. Then apply double decomposition. So this lead nitrate, we need the sulfate. So sodium sulfate, we can take, this will form sodium nitrate and lead sulfate. So that is the first question we have seen. Now the second one, that sodium sulfate using dilute sulfuric acid. Sodium sulfate using dilute sulfuric acid. Sodium sulfate using dilute sulfuric acid. So it is very simple that utilization of an alkali can take that two molecules of sodium hydroxide react with dilute H2SO4. This will form Na2SO4 plus 2Sp2. By this way we can do it. Now the third one, copper chloride from copper carbonate. Copper chloride from copper carbonate. So copper carbonate is insoluble and copper chloride is soluble. So here one step is required. So this copper carbonate react with hydrochloric acid. This will form copper chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So by this way you can get the copper chloride. So this 2014 is over. Now 2015. Now we take 2015. So 2015, first question. Give the balance equation for the following conversion: iron to Fe to FeCl3. Only chemical equation you have to give. So by the direct combination, you can prepare. This will form 2FeCl3. Now the second one, that from the list of the salt, choose the salt that most appropriately fit the description given below. An insoluble chloride. So an insoluble chloride is silver chloride. An insoluble chloride is silver chloride. Then from SO2, SiO2, N2O3, MgOCO, Na2, select an oxide which dissolve in water forming an acid. So just to see which one is the acidic oxide. So acidic oxide is sulfur dioxide. So this sulfur dioxide, when it is dissolved in water, it will form acid. Now 2016. Fill in the blanks. Higher the pH value of a solution, more alkaline will be there. More alkaline. Now the second one, this is 2016. Match the following salts given below with correct method of preparation from A, B, C, D, E. So match the following. Only that preparation of the salt you have to select. So first one is given that lead nitrate from lead oxide. So lead nitrate from lead oxide. You know it is neutralization is there. So just you see at any place C, neutralization. The second one is given that magnesium chloride from magnesium. Magnesium chloride from magnesium. This is displacement method is there. So just to see the displacement method is given. A simple displacement A. Then third one, that FeCl3 from iron. FeCl3 from iron. This direct combination. So just you see direct combination is given. Yes, combination is given. E. either direct combination or combination, both are same. And fourth one, that sodium nitrate from sodium hydroxide. Sodium nitrate from sodium hydroxide. So this utilization of an alkali is there. Just you see it is given titration and utilization of an alkali. Both are correct. So titration is given. So B is can use. Then fifth one, that zinc carbonate from zinc sulfate, that precipitation by double decomposition. Zinc carbonate from zinc sulfate. So just to see precipitation by double decomposition, this D is given precipitation. So D is the answer. So this we have seen 2016 over. Now 2017. We take the 2017. First question. Fill in the blanks from the choices. Bracket. When a metallic oxide is dissolved in water, the solution has a high concentration, like hydroxyl, because basic will be there. That's it. Choose the correct answers from the options. To increase pH value of a neutral solution, we should add alkali and alkali. C is the correct one. Then anhydrous iron third chloride is prepared by direct combination. This is the first one. Second one by direct combination. By direct combination. Then third question, write a balanced chemical equation for the preparation of each of the following salt: copper carbonate and ammonium sulfate crystal. So that equation you have to write copper carbonate. So this copper carbonate is insoluble salt, so it can be prepared by precipitation by double decomposition. So copper sulfate, when react with sodium carbonate, is form sodium sulfate and copper carbonate. Another one is given, that ammonium sulfate crystal. Ammonium sulfate, this can be prepared by the neutralization of an alkali. So you can take ammonium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid. This will form that ammonium sulfate and 2Sp. So this is about the 2017. Now 2018. First question. Yes. Give one word or the phrase for the statement the property by which certain hydrated salt, when let exposed to the atmosphere, lose their water of crystallization and crumbles to the powder form. So this efflorescence is there. Efflorescence. Now the second one, state one relevant observation for the following. Anhydrous calcium is exposed to the air for the some time. This anhydrous calcium chloride absorbs moisture and dissolves in that, changes to state in liquid. So this calcium chloride is anhydrous calcium chloride is the liquescent salt is there, so it will absorb moisture, then it will turn to a liquid and change to a liquid state. So now 2018 second question. We have seen, then fill in the blanks if the correct choice is given in bracket. The salt prepared by the method of direct combination is that iron third chloride. This third one, that FeCl3, iron third chloride. Now the fourth one, 2018. Fourth one, three solutions PQR have the pH 3, 3.5, 5.2 and 12.2 respectively. State which one of these is a weak acid and strong alkali. So first one is weak acid. And strong alkali. Weak acid and strong alkali. I have given you when the pH is 1 to 0 to 2, strong acid is there, and after that weak acid is there. So just to see the pH, that 5.2, that will be the weak acid, and strong alkali 12 to 14. So this value is given 12.2. So 12.2, that is strong alkali. Now this fourth one is over. Now fifth one. Now the fifth question. So it is very necessary to solve the board questions. Then only you can get the idea of the questions will be asked to you. And you are going to write the board equation. So this fifth one, 2018. Write balance equation for the preparation of each of the following salt. Copper second sulfate from copper carbonate. Copper sulfate from copper carbonate. Copper sulfate from copper carbonate. So this is soluble and that is insoluble. Only one salt is insoluble, one step is required. So this copper carbonate reacts with dilute sulfuric acid. This will form copper sulfate, water and carbon dioxide. Now the second conversion, that zinc carbonate from zinc sulfate. Zinc carbonate from zinc sulfate. So that is soluble, this is insoluble. So one step will be required. You can apply the precipitation by double decomposition. So this zinc sulfate react with sodium carbonate, aqueous solution. They will form sodium sulfate and zinc carbonate. So now this 2018 defined by the statement given, the substance that releases hydronium ion as only positively charged when dissolved in water, that is acid. This is taken from the definition I told you. They are asking define the term, so this is the definition of the acid. Then the pH of the three solutions A, B, C are given. A pH is 12, B 2 and C 7. Answer the following. Which solution have no effect on the litmus? So this pH 7. So pH 7 is neutral. So that's why no effect on the litmus. Then which solution will liberate carbon dioxide when react with sodium carbonate acid, just to see. So this pH 2. So third one, which solution will turn lead litmus blue, just to see which one is alkaline. So alkaline is pH 12. This question is very important. Such questions are asking in board paper, and whenever it is asked, students are getting the full mark. Now the question number 3. Now the question number 3. Question number 3, 2019. Choose the method preparation of the following salt from the methods given. So first one is given lead chloride. This lead chloride, that is insoluble salt, that is prepared by precipitation by double decomposition. So this is given precipitation. So B. Second one, that iron second sulfate displacement is there. This iron second sulfate displacement, yes, substitution is given, that is also correct. D. Then third one is that sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate, this is utilization of an alkali or titration, just to see what is given here. In this one, utilization is given, right only you take. Then fourth one is given that iron third chloride, FeCl3. So that direct combination is given C. So direct combination. This is about the 2019. Now 2020. Next we are going to take 2020. 2020. First question. Fill in the blanks from the choices given. A salt prepared by displacement is this ferrous chloride. This can be prepared by displacement. Then complete the following by selecting the correct options from the choices. pH of acetic acid is greater than dilute sulfuric acid, so the acetic acid contains. Complete the following by selecting the correct options from the choices. pH of acetic acid is greater than dilute sulfuric acid, so acetic acid must contain greater, same or low, greater concentration of hydrogen ion. So this is 2020. Second one, complete the following by selecting the correct options from the choices. pH of the acetic acid is greater than the dilute sulfuric acid. It should be lower, but since in the question it is given greater, So let it go like that only what to do. So the pH of the acetic acid is greater than the dilute sulfuric acid. So the acetic acid contains greater, same or low, greater concentration of H. Greater will be greater concentration of H. This will be greater. What is given in this one? Complete the following by selecting the correct options. The pH of the acetic acid is greater than the dilute sulfuric acid. So this pH is the weak acid. So the acetic acid contains that lower concentration, not the greater, low concentration of H plus. Low concentration of H plus. We have studied here that 0, 1, 2, 1, this you have studied now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is neutral. This is neutral. When you move here, the acidic character increases. So this acetic acid will come here and sulfuric acid will come here and acetic acid will come here. So acetic acid pH will be more. But if you take the hydrogen ion concentration of this acetic acid, this will be lower. This will be lower. So that's why this is the correct answer. Low concentration of H plus. Because here the hydrogen ion concentration is more. You will study that here the hydrogen ion concentration is 10 raised to power minus 7. Hydrogen ion concentration is 10 raised to power minus 7 mole per liter. Here 10 raised to power minus 4. Here 10 raised to power minus 1. So which one is greater? This one is greater. So acetic acid pH is more, but the hydrogen ion concentration will be less. So this is the correct answer. Low concentration of H plus. Very nice question and confusing also. So nice question. Now the third one, third question, that differentiate between the following pairs based on the information given in bracket. Acid and alkali form the ions. So acid and alkali. Acid gives hydronium ion and alkali gives that hydroxyl ion in aqueous. Now the fourth one, write a balanced chemical equation for the preparation of the following salt from 1 to 3, A to C, neutralization, precipitation, titration. Write a balanced chemical equation for the preparation of the following. This copper sulfate, neutralization. So for this one is neutralization. So this copper oxide react with sulfuric acid, form copper sulfate and S2. So this is the equation. Now the next one is asked that zinc carbonate. So precipitation will be there. This precipitation. So zinc sulfate and sodium carbonate. This will form sodium sulfate and zinc carbonate. Now this C here, third one. This is the first. Here first. This one is second. This one is third. Now the third one, that ammonium sulfate titration. So ammonium sulfate titration. So you can take that ammonium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid, ammonium sulfate. So this will form that ammonium sulfate and 2H. So this is all about the core questions. Then from the additional question that you can solve these questions, that page number 61, question number 23, 24 and 28. 23, 24 and 28. Such questions are asking in board paper. So that you can solve in your chemistry copy. And now next one is you have to solve the unit test paper. So unit test paper, I will solve it and I will give you in your WhatsApp group. You can write in your chemistry.